In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PDF from QuickBooks Online Plus. If you receive bills as PDFs and want them stored right inside your books, attached to the bill they belong to, this walkthrough is for you. Before we start, have your PDF saved on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct QuickBooks Online company with permission to add bills. Once you're logged in, look for the plus new button in QuickBooks Online. This is your shortcut to creating and importing transactions. Click it to open the full menu of options. We're going to work within the vendors section because our goal is to bring a vendor bill into QuickBooks with the original PDF attached for easy reference later. From that menu, choose Upload Bills under Vendors. This opens the upload window where you'll import the document. Think of this as your inbox for bills. You give QuickBooks the PDF, and it pulls out the important details for you, saving time and reducing manual entry. Now add your file. You can drag and drop the PDF directly into the upload area or click Browse to locate the file on your computer and select it. Use whichever method you're most comfortable with. They both do the exact same thing. For best results, make sure the PDF is clear and legible, that the vendor name appears prominently on the first page, and that the total and invoice date are easy to read. If you're scanning, use a flat, well-lit surface and avoid cropping out headers or totals. Multi-page PDFs are fine, as long as they belong to the same bill. After the upload, QuickBooks scans the document and automatically extracts the vendor name, the bill date, and the total amount. This step is designed to minimize typing and reduce errors. The system's usually accurate, but it's always smart to verify. Take a moment to review the autofill details on the screen. Confirm that the vendor name matches your vendor list, the date reflects the bill date on the PDF, and the amount matches the document's total. If anything looks off, simply click into the field and correct it. What you see here is what will be saved to your books. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks creates the bill and attaches your original PDF automatically, so the source document is always one click away for auditing, approvals, or future questions. That's it. You've uploaded your PDF, captured the key details, and saved the bill with the document securely attached. Use the same flow every time you receive a vendor bill as a PDF to keep your records clean, consistent, and easy to find.